Well, I got a 1970 Chevy C20 in the shop today. Ready to pull the transmission, transfer case, place the clutch. This thing's got about 120 something thousand original miles on it. It's got a little cancer on the cab there, but the undercarriage, the frame is pretty dang solid. But I wanted to show y'all, look at these shocks. Original rear shocks. 1970 Chevy pickup. Oh jeez, that is amazing. Oh yeah, this thing's got the 4-speed. Of course, it's 354 barrel engine, original motor. Yeah, it's getting tired. She's still kicking though. Yeah, it's got a little cancer. I don't think the muffler's original. It's been replaced, but anyhow, I just wanted to share with y'all them rear shocks. Man, isn't that something? All right, y'all. You have a good evening, and I may continue this video when I get the transmission out, and I'll show you all what the clutch and flywheel look like. Y'all take care and stay out of trouble.